old idiot. Yes, man.
People of Gotham City, where is Batman? Hot news mess coming right off the press. A 12-year-old boy who has been missing for 11 days has been found. Hooray! Hooray! He's alive! But that's not the interesting part of this story. Where was he found? In his father's basement. Now, hearing that, you probably would assume that his father had him down there in the basement, torturing him, not feeding him, just doing all sorts of wrongs to him. But before you do, pump your brakes, pump your brakes. That is not the case, thank God. The father had no idea that his son was in the basement. According to the father, he searched the entire house, including the basement, and then him alone searched the basement. And what's even more interesting, what is this shit? I'm going to beat the shit out of that car if they're not turn it off. And he was not the only one who searched the basement. The kid's mother searched the basement, the police, the CIA, the FBI, Secret Service, and even President Obama himself go down like search the basement, and the boy was nowhere to be found. If you really want to hide something, hide it in plain sight. This kid has mastered that. Now, honestly, I feel like they need to do a background check, a full-blown investigation into this little youth to see if he is associated with Al-Qaeda in any way, because his hide-and-seek game is on level invisible Bin Laden. Harry Potter has got to be real, because this kid has found the invisible cloak. Houdini, David Blaine, Chris Angel, none of these magicians have anything on this little youth when it comes to pulling off the disappearing and reappearing act. If I was this kid's father, I don't think I could trust him after this. How do you, as a 12-year-old, we still not learn how to wipe your ass good, still have doodle stains in your drawers? How do you hide from the FBI and dogs? Regular dogs have a sense of smell that's probably 500 times better than the human nose. A dog in the FBI have a sense of smell that's 2 million times better than the sense of smell of a human being, and you hide them out. If I was this kid's father, after this, me I put him out. You can't come back in my yard. You up your man, you walk witchcraft, you do something. I can bet when they ask him, where have you been? His response is going to be, I was down in the basement playing video games. If he was playing video games, right, then he would have to go and get food so they would see him. No. If you check the cases of video games nowadays, you will see that they not only warn you about violence, but they also have nutritional facts. I am not lying. Check your video game cases. You just know stuff has gone bad when the FBI cannot find a 12-year-old boy in his own home. We're doomed. Honestly, I'm wondering if it's the handy-capable, because can't say handicap anymore, it's offensive, department of the FBI that they sent to look for this 12-year-old boy. Maybe the agents were blind and the dog had no nose. How do you miss a 12-year-old? This could have been taken care of in a couple minutes. How do you find a 12-year-old? Here, son, I got the new PS4. I've got the iPad 4. I've got the iPhone 6. Here, son, come and get it. A lot of criminals are going to be searching for this kid. They are going to need his nightcrawler hide-and-seek expertise to evade the police. Ladies and gentlemen, what have we learned from this? 12-year-olds know dark magic. Them a walk obia. 2, aliens probably exist because he must have been abducted. And 3, parents are much happier when their kids come out of the basement and not the closet. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, please hit the share button, and also hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. This is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.